everyone, I'm Morgenstern Sanandes, and my report is all about geology. What is geology? Also known as geoscience or earth science, is the science that studies the Earth's physical history, evolution, dynamics, structure, rocks, energy sources, natural minerals, biological changes, and many more. The Earth is about 4.543 billion years old. Geology came from the ancient Greek word geo, meaning earth, and logos, meaning study of. James Hutton, also known as the father of modern geology, formulated geological principles based on observation of rocks. The four major geological subsystems of Earth are the atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and geosphere. The Earth's structure consists of the crust, which is the outermost layer of the Earth, the mantle, which consists of the upper and lower mantle, the outer core, which consists of molten iron, nickel, rocks, magma, and more. And lastly, the inner core, which is the innermost layer of the Earth, and it is solid due to the enormous weight of all the rest of Earth bearing down on it. There are three types of rocks. The igneous rocks, which is made from cooled down magma. There are two kinds of igneous rocks. Intrusive is when magma cools slowly for over millions of years beneath the Earth's surface, and extrusive when lava cools quickly on the Earth's surface. Second is the sedimentary rocks, which forms by compaction and cementing together of sediments from other rocks. There are two kinds of sedimentary rocks. Chemical, which forms from chemical precipitation, and clastic when there is weathering or breaking down of fragments of other rocks. Last is the metamorphic rocks. Meta meaning change and morpho meaning form. Therefore, changes in form. Due to immense heat or pressure, there are two types of metamorphic rocks. Foliated is when line-up of layers is formed due to the minerals in a rock, and non-foliated is formed the same but there is no layered appearance due to the absence of the needed minerals that make them. This illustration shows the rock cycle. It starts with sediments. When it undergoes compacting and cementing, it turns into sedimentary rocks. And when heat and pressure is applied, it turns into a metamorphic rocks. It will then undergo melting, which turns to magma, and after it cools down, it turns to igneous rocks. To turn it to sediments, it must undergo weathering and erosion. Sedimentary rocks can turn back to sediments if it undergoes weathering and erosion. It is the same when metamorphic rocks turn into sediments. And to turn igneous rocks to magma, it must undergo melting. And to turn it to metamorphic rocks, it needs to undergo heat and pressure. Thank you for watching. God bless and stay safe.